When I was a few months before the age of 17, something wonderful happened to me. All of a sudden, my blind certificate didn't mean anything to me, and I broke through a huge barrier, and that is the stigma of being blind, to a point that today I read, write, not from normal distance, and I drive, and I'm cautious, and I try not to drive much at night, but my life has changed completely. I move away from life of visual handicap, being born to deaf parents, to life of visual person. And with that, I will continue, hopefully, for quite a few years. But so far, so good. I'm almost 66, and I'm doing it fine. So what I want to do is teach many of you to improve your vision. We don't use this trampoline with most people. We go into the beach, we look at the distance, we look at the waves. But I think the trampoline can actually show us an awful lot. If I stand on this trampoline and I use these glasses where I blocked one eye from seeing, now my two eyes are open and I'm looking with both eyes. I can throw and catch a ball. I can throw it high. I can throw it pretty high. And while bouncing, I can throw and catch. And by doing that, I'm improving my weaker eye. And I'm allowing the two eyes to work better together. This is one out of many things that I will be teaching in my 6-day class. And you will learn how to overcome the nearsightedness that you have, the farsightedness that you have, and the paralysis that you have from hearing the doctors that eyes cannot improve. That is a dogma that have not proven itself, definitely not in my life, and it's a dogma you have to overcome.